Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to change email on Twitch. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser. In your internet browser, go ahead and search for twitch.tv. And make sure you're logged in as well. In here, wait for the website to finish loading. Once you are already on Twitch, the first step is to click on your profile on the upper right, this one over here. Once you're here, click on your profile, then click on the gear icon that says Settings. In here, you'll now be redirected to Settings. Over at Settings, go to Security and Privacy. Once in Security and Privacy, you can see now your email. In here, just click on the pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, you can now go ahead and change your email. And then all you have to do is go ahead and click on the verification link sent on your new email. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.